The tube's all set up, the pot at the front is ready to go. I've got a whole load of sheep across the field here. There's a little aeroplane spraying the crops. Cape Town in winter, beautiful. It is coming into canola season, so it's very, very, very green. We found some sunshine. It's been a bit missing the last few weeks. We've got a nice little gravel road that's just waiting for us to give a little bit of an explore on. What I'm going to do is try to see if I can capture what's going on with the oil on the chain as best as I can. And does it make the bike feel different in any way? I'm not anticipating it will, because the knobbly tyres and the gravel road will surely outrun any smoothness. But I do know that it's going to be considerably easier to maintain the chain with the oil doing it this way than it is going to be in the garage trying to pop the bike up and do it that way. So let me just give you a quick look at what the chain looks like now before we start the shenanigans, and then we're going to go and wander off in that direction, or we might go and wander off in that direction, and I'm going to try and rig up the camera so that they're watching the chain as the oil drips on it. The tube's all set up. There's the tube. It's all, nothing's moved, everything nice and tight. The pot at the front is ready to go. Right, what I'm going to try to do now is see if I can somehow record this activity. Ram mount for the win, I can tell you, it's the absolute winner. All that we need to do is go and ride and turn the pot. So let's go and give this a go. I'm actually going to stop the bike and just make sure everything goes like it's supposed to. So the first thing I'm going to do, make sure that's still going. And we can see in here, it hasn't started dripping yet. So what I'm going to go and do is turn this 90 degrees. So that's 90. Then what's supposed to happen, the oil starts dripping. I can see the oil's dripping there. Perfect. Let's go and give it a ride. Whee! So I'm going to ride for a couple of minutes just down the road here. And in the distance, way in the distance, there is snow on the mountain. It's been a very wet, cold, yucky winter, I must admit. What a lovely road. Oh, what's going on here? Let's wiggle our way through here, I think. Let's have a look and see what's happening here. Well, I can definitely see there's definitely a little bit of oil flicked onto the wheel. So that's working. And I can just see it's still dripping from the little pipe. So if I have a look here, it's definitely oilier. I wouldn't say that it's very oily, so it's not like it's overdosing. That's quite nice. It is coming into canola season, so it's very, very, very green here. There's a little aeroplane floating around just here. He's spraying the crops. I can see the snow on the mountains. Cape Town in winter, beautiful. So I thought I'd just give you my final thoughts on the self-oiling system. I think it's a fantastic little accessory to your bike. It's really easy to install. It's not that expensive. It makes looking after your chain ridiculously simple. Why would it not be a good idea? So in a month or two, I'll give you a little bit of an update and let you know how I'm getting on. I'm going to put all the links for the Cobra Nemo 2 in the bottom in the description. If you like these type of videos, give me a like and a thumbs up and all of that jazz. You know what to do. And then I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, hey. Ciao.